If you're having difficulties booting into your iPhone and it keeps looping to the Apple logo, here's what you can do. What I like to do is I like to plug in the charger because it just makes things easier. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to hold the home button and the sleep button at the same time. Might take about 5 seconds or so. Okay? So now it's going to restart. Next, once it restarts, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to hold the volume up button for maybe 2 to 5 minutes. Alright? So let's do it. We're going to restart it. Okay, I'm going to get ready to press the volume button. You got to hold it. Don't let go. It might take some time the first time you do it. It might feel like it's taken forever, but you just gotta keep holding it. Soon enough, it's gonna boot. If your phone is currently in vibrate mode, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna sense that it vibrates. Oh, there we go. It just vibrated. Once it does that, you know that you're in. As you can see, the Apple logo changed because this phone is jailbroken. I use the Flux app to change the brightness of the screen. Okay, so we're in. There you go.